Originally, in ancient times, suitcases were made of wood. In 20th century, suitcases with telescopic handle which can be pulled along was introduced. Now, in the 21st century, we live in a world we don't have to carry the luggage. The luggage can carry us.
Dynobag uses a 24 voltage brushed DC electric motor of 250 watts with gear reduction for optimum torque. It uses a chain drive to transmit mechanical power from the motor to the rear wheel drive shaft. Axial bearings are used to support the drive shaft and also assist transmission. Telescopic handlebar is employed for the convenience of user, which helps in achieving directional control. A 24 voltage lithium-ion battery is used to supply power for the entire device with an amperage of 10 Ah. An acceleration control is used to achieve speed control of the motor with the help of LB27 motor controller.
Dynobag has load carrying capacity of 120 kilograms, which is tested theoretically and experimentally. Zip pouches are provided in the sides for easy storage of electronics like phone, tablet and laptop. Dynobag has 70 liters of storage capacity.
Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Saved, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SC Engineering College, Chennai. I take privilege in introducing my team of students who have fabricated a very innovative product, and you can see the product over here. The name of this product is Dynobag. Before going on to the working and the need for this product, my team of students will be introducing themselves.
Greetings. Hi, I'm Abhisha and this is Johan and this is Praveen.
We are doing bachelor's in mechanical engineering in SC Engineering College.
The title of our project is Dynobag and it's a rideable carry-on e-vehicle.
So, highlighting the unique features of this Dynobag, that is in other words, for simple understanding, you can call it as your electric scooter. So, if you are going to see this, it is having a very unique ratio of charging time with respect to its running time. Say for example, if it is going to charge for 2 hours continuously, then this Dynobag is having a capability to run for 8 hours continuously. So 2 hours charging, it can run for 8 hours continuously. This is going to be one of the unique feature. Apart from that, it is going to be very much eco-friendly and it is going to be completely pollution free, as we have used a lithium-ion battery. It does not require any fuel for its running. So if you are going to see this lithium-ion battery, we have used a 24 volt lithium-ion battery. And apart from the other unique features, it is very light in weight. If you are going to see this Dynobag alone, the weight of this Dynobag is going to be just only 20 kilograms. So you can see the teammates, they can lift it and you can show it to you. The weight is going to be very much light in weight. It is going to be very much light in weight, just 20 kilograms. So it is easily portable, can be transported from one place to another place very easily.
Polyurethane wheels having durometer hardness value of 82A is used. It has good load-bearing capacity and other benefits such as noise reduction, shock absorption and floor protection. Dynobag is user-friendly. It can be charged easily by plugging in. Cushioned seats and foot pegs are provided for a comfortable ride.
Dynobag not only helps us avoid carrying heavy suitcases, it also helps us to reach distances by actually riding on our suitcase. This inevitably becomes an excellent aid for elderly people who often struggle to carry their luggage and tackle mobility issues due to aging.
So if you see, another additional feature of this Dynobag is that it is having a very large luggage storing compartment. So I am going to show you the items which can be stored in this Dynobag when the passenger or the user is going to travel from one place to another place. So if you can see the items which has been shown over here, so this is going to be a small compartment in which you can store the electronic items. You can keep them as you can see over in this compartment. So in this compartment also you can store some small items which is like cell phones, your mobiles, your hard disk or any other things which is going to be small and tiny in size can be kept in these two compartments. So apart from these two bags, we are having a very big compartment which can store large number of luggages when the user or the passenger is going to travel a long distance. As you can see over here, you can keep your books or any documents which can be seen over here. Apart from that, you can keep your water bottles or even you can carry your juice bottles Then even you can carry your lunch using this Dyno bag. So this, I want to show you the full complete storage space of this Dyno bag. This is going to be the luggage compartment. We have designed it in such a way that it is having a unique storage space. So I want to show you all the items like food items which you can store over here. Not only food items, even you can keep your shirts, bags and any other goods, pillows, etc. which can be carried over here. The documents, everything can be carried in this Dyno bag. It is having a unique, a large space for storing these luggages, and this is not going to affect the movement or the load carrying capacity of this Dyno bag, because this Dyno bag has been fabricated with a capability of carrying a maximum weight of 150 kilograms. So this is going to be the unique feature. Apart from this eco-friendly, which is going to travel at a normal speed, another unique feature is that this Dyno bag is having a capability of storing a large number of luggages. It is having a very large storage space, as you are going to see over here.
From the times where we carried the luggage, let us move to the next generation of technology where the luggage carries us. Dyno bag is designed for making traveling easy for tourists. They can travel with their suitcase, which provides them a ride. He or she can sit and ride on Dyno bag with comfort instead of walking along with the luggage.